I used AI to build this software in minutes, and I made over $18,000 in just 4 days of launching this software. Not only did I build that software, my daughter even built this software right here, and she's only 6 years old. And I even created this Bible app, which helps me study the Bible. I even built a stock trading app using 100% AI, and I even created a fitness software using AI. Now, in this video, not only am I going to show you how to create software from complete scratch as a complete beginner with no coding experience, I'm also going to show you how to sell it and automate the entire process from beginning to end. Let's get into it. All right, so I'm going to show you the 4-step framework of how you can create software using 100% AI so you can start building this Monday and start selling it by Monday. So step number 1 is you have to have an idea, right? Now, the cool thing about this is you can create software in any industry. So when it comes to ideas, really the sky's the limit. As I mentioned, I made a stock trading app, I made a viral app, a fitness app. So the cool thing about it is whatever idea that you have, you can use AI to create the software. Now, let me show you my hack on how I get ideas for building software that people actually want. All right, so this is my hack on how I get unlimited ideas for things that people actually want to buy. So I'm using an AI called Manus. Now, you can use ChatGPT for this, but I love Manus because it will do wide research for you. So this is the prompt that I use. I basically say, I want to build a software using AI, but I need you to do extensive market research on, so whatever your niche is. So I put fitness for 30 to 40-year-old men. Again, this could be whatever. It could be chiropractor niche. It could be helping people with stock trading. It could be creating a software to help accountants, right? Whatever it is that you want to create, you're telling Manus to do research to give you ideas on software to create. Okay, this is step 1 in the process. Now, I did create a full-on interactive guide on how to create software from beginning to end. If you want access to that 100% free, just say interactive guide in the comments and I'll send it over to you. Now, after this, Manus is gonna go and do the research for you and give you multiple ideas on what to create. Now, you can also ask Manus to do keyword research. You can ask Manus to do search volume research. So basically all that means is how many searches per month are people searching? And that tells me that people actually want this software. So again, we first want that idea. We want that validation depending on that niche. And then we could go ahead and create the software. So let's go to step number 2. All right, so step number 2 is using AI to create the actual software. So again, before, if you wanted to create any type of software, you would need to hire a developer, you would need to go hire out a market research team, you would need an engineer, and this would take months to do. But now with AI, you can literally create an entire software in minutes. Now, some of the tools that I use personally are Lovable or Manus. You can also use Replit AI, and there are other tools that you can use. But me personally, I love using Lovable or Manus because you can build these softwares within these platforms and start selling it as fast as humanly possible. So here's an example of what I mean. So I'm creating this Bible app on Manus at the moment. Now, the cool thing about this is you can use Manus to create the entire app. But then what's cool about it is if I go to the settings here at the top, I can actually add my payment information here. So basically when someone purchases this Bible app right here that you see, which is selling at $5 per month, it's automatically connected to my bank account, to my Stripe, and I automatically get paid. This makes it super easy if you're a complete beginner with no coding experience, because now you don't have to go and create a separate website and have to connect all these weird things together. You can do this all within Manus or Lovable. And the best part about doing it this way is you can go back and forth with the AI to make sure everything works exactly how you want it. So on step number 2, as we're creating this software from complete scratch, I like using the feedback loop. This is exactly what I do to create my software. Okay, so basically you tell AI, hey, I want to create this app that does this, this, and this. Okay, very simple. It creates the software. It's going to then build it. The AI is going to do everything for you. Okay, it's going to build it, and then it's going to give you a product, right? It's going to give you a page. It's going to give you the actual thing that you want, and then you're going to review the actual page. Okay, so this is called the feedback loop. So basically you're telling AI, it's building the thing, you're reviewing it, And then you're telling the AI what you want, what you don't want. And you basically go in this loop until you get the software that you want. And that's exactly how I've built over 11 softwares in just the last 3 weeks. And this is as simple as just talking to the AI and telling it exactly what you need, what you don't like. And again, this is all done within the platform itself. So for example, as I'm creating this Bible app, let's just say I don't like a certain photo, I don't like a certain feature. I can say, hey, I want you to get rid of this multiple translations part and add something else. I want you to create an image. I want you to add this new feature here. So that's the most important part. As you're creating software, you want to have this feedback loop where you tell the AI, you review it, and then you continue to do that until you get exactly what you want. Now, again, I created a complete interactive guide on how you can do this step by step. So just say interactive guide down below and I'll personally send it over. All right, so now I want to move on to step number 3. Now, this is the most important part that most people don't talk about, and this is creating an automated sales system. So step number 3 right here is all about selling your software, right? So we created this amazing thing that's going to help a lot of people, but now we need to create a sales process, a sales system that sells your software for you. So there's a few different things that you can do. Okay, you can create like a website for this, you can create a funnel, or you can create a webinar. Okay, these are all things that I like to create. That way I can automate the sales process. Now let me show you what I did. So this is the homepage to my software here. Basically, it's called Freedom Threads. It helps people go viral. FreedomThreads.ai. Now, people are not going to buy this if they have no idea how this works. The point of the automated sales process is to walk them through exactly what the software does, okay? Now, you'll see I put a ton of testimonials and examples, and if I keep scrolling down, I even add a demo, right? So there's even a demo of how this works, okay? And this is the most important part. This is what I call the automated sales process. You don't have that, you're not gonna be able to sell your actual software. Now, I'm personally using Funnel Freedom, which is a funnel builder to build everything out automated. So basically that builds the automated pages, that sends automated emails, that sends automated text messages. That way people will go and buy my product. So as an example, here's a page that I created in Funnel Freedom. And if people wanna buy this product, there's a video that walks them through how it works, and then they click on a button and all they do is enter their information and pay. So I don't need to have some salesperson, I don't need to have someone calling people. Everything is automated and it's doing the selling and the telling for me. And when it comes to selling your software, this is really the most important part, because getting the idea is easy, and number 2, creating the actual software is now the easy part, now that AI can do everything for you. But the part that's going to separate you from other people creating software is who has the better automated system, who has a way to get customers in a way that's not going to take time from you having to call people or having to email one by one. The automated sales process sells the software for you. Now, here's my favorite parts about building software. It's called MRR growth, right? Monthly reoccurring revenue. So I want you to think, if you created your software today and launch it in the next 3 days, this is the numbers that I like to look at, right? So month number 1, let's just say you have a software and you're selling it for $29, okay? And let's just say month number 1, you only get 10 customers, okay? That's $290 a month, okay? But then the next month you get another 10 customers at $29. Now you're at $580. And then you keep doubling, you keep stacking all the way to you're on month number 6. And now you're making close to $5,000 a month. Now, of course, you can price your software anywhere from $5 to I've seen students charge $97 a month for their software. Now, once step number 3 is done, you've created this automated sales system. We can then move on to step number 4, which is getting customers. So now all we have to focus on is 2 different things, either organic traffic, which is posting online, creating videos, writing on Facebook, or you can run ads. Now, the cool thing about ads is you can do this all using AI. And this is something we teach inside our AI Micro SaaS Launchpad, which I'll talk about later. But the goal here is now to talk about your software. Now, let me show you some examples of what I'm doing to get customers. All right, so this is my Facebook page right here. And really all I'm doing is I'm creating these simple thread type posts. So I'm not even creating any videos. I'm simply creating these posts. That way I can get people to my software or to whatever product that I'm selling. Now, the cool thing is I actually created a software that helps people get viral traffic, and that's Freedom Threads. This is a software I actually created for myself that my students are now using, because what it does is it helps you create these viral type posts just like this, right? So you can see it creates a simple post and you can see over 345 comments here. And I continue to post these daily, right? So I do these not only once, twice, or 5 times a day. Sometimes I'm doing these 10 times a day, because the more I post, the more I make money. But what I want to show you is how simple these types of posts are, right? So very simple posts like this, and the AI will do it for me. Now, of course, you don't have to use Facebook to create these types of posts. This is just one example. You can, of course, create YouTube videos like you see right here. You can go and create 60-second Instagram videos, whatever it is that you need to get people to know what your software does and how it can help them. Now, the cool thing for you is I've created the largest community in the entire world for vibe coding. Now, vibe coding is simply just creating software using AI. And I've created the largest community in the entire world when it comes to this. The cool thing about this is not a lot of people know about this. They don't know what vibe coding is. They don't know it's even possible. And that's why I'm so excited about what you can do with AI. And not only have I created dozens and dozens of softwares in the last 3 weeks, you can see inside my community, we've already had hundreds of people creating their softwares. You can see they're already posting their links to it. They've already created them. And this has only been in the last few days of creating this brand new community. It is absolutely insane what a lot of my students have already done. Now, if you have access to this community, we have some step-by-step blueprints on exactly how to build this from beginning to end, exactly what to tell the AI, how to connect your bank account, and how you can create the automated system that sells the software for you. That's going to be linked in the first link down below, and that will give you access to the full step-by-step program and the community. That way you can ask us questions, get on the coaching calls, and more importantly, we will help you promote your software. Now, if you just simply want access to our interactive guide to walk you through step-by-step, I want to give that to you absolutely free. Just say interactive guide down below, or if you look in the description at the second link, I will link it there for you as well. Super excited for what you guys are going to create. This is an absolute amazing time to be alive, and I'm so excited to help you build software from complete scratch without any coders or any developers. We'll see you on the next video, and God bless.